Hi everyone, I'm Afan Ahmed, and today I have started Master.js, a JavaScript learning series where we will cover all the topics in detail and depth and will understand its use cases. Without wasting our time, let's share my screen. And so this was the roadmap which I had already shared. So today we are going to cover these two topics: introduction to JavaScript and JavaScript history. So let's get started with JavaScript and its definition. So JavaScript is a single-threaded high-level interpreted language. Okay, so we have single-threaded languages and then we have multi-threaded languages. So first of all, let's understand what are threads. So if I show you in my system, we have number of cores 12 and the number of logical processors 16. So 16 logical processors we have. So these logical processors are actually threads in JavaScript. Oh, sorry, threads of my CPU. So we have 16 threads in my system. Okay, so what happens is JavaScript uses only one thread at a time. However, there are languages such as Java, C++, which uses multiple threads at a time. So they can execute multiple tasks parallelly. They can do uh, parallelly more tasks. They can execute more tasks. However, JavaScript is a single-threaded language, so it executes only one task at a time. However, it has asynchronous behavior. It handles that, which we will cover later in event loop. Uh, so this is single-threaded and multi-threaded language definition. Now we have high-level language. So how high level means the languages which are human readable. So we have high level languages, then we have low level languages. So high level languages are those languages which are easy to read or understand by human being. However, low level languages are those languages which are easy for computers but to understand by human. Okay. Then we have interpreted languages. So again, we have two types of languages: interpreted and compiled. So compiled languages are those languages which are compiled compiled or converted into machine code before execution. However, languages interpreted languages are those languages which are interpreted line by line, which are executed line by line. So this is the definition of JavaScript. Now let's learn about a little history in brief. So JS or JavaScript was created by uh, Brandon Ike in 1995. So basically, he created this language within a span of 10 days. So 10 दिन में उसने उन्होंने ये लैंग्वेज बना दी थी, ठीक है. एंड इनिशियली इट वाज नेम्ड मोजा, and then it was renamed to LiveScript, and ultimately it was renamed to JavaScript. Uh, and then in 1995, it was submitted to ECMA, and it was standardized there. So this is a little history about JavaScript. So thank you so much.